Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar, aka ADK, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing, as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys the vibration bass.
ADK Beatbox.
The vibration bass is a very deep and growly bass sound and a sound which sounds really hard on the mic. Some precautions to be kept in mind before you start to learn any vocal bass variations are: firstly, drink lots of water and keep your throat hydrated when you try to learn the sound. Secondly, if you feel any irritation while trying to learn the sound, don't overstress your vocal cords, take some rest and continue later. And finally, don't overdo the sound if your throat gets sore while learning the sound, cause it may permanently damage your vocal cords and your ability to sing if you are a singer. But let this not stop you from trying to learn the sound, since it's perfectly safe to do the sound by taking all the necessary precautions and giving your throat the time to recover from the damage caused by trying to learn the sound. Before I start to explain how to do the sound, the basic idea behind the vibration bass is to combine the normal throat bass along with a strong nasal vibration. So it would sound something like wow, 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 wow. Before you guys start to learn the vibration bass, I expect you guys to know both the chest bass and the throat bass and have some amount of control and practice in doing both these sounds. So after you guys have the chest bass and the throat bass broken down, to do the vibration bass you need to talk with your vocal cords constricted at the point where you would do the chest bass while keeping the remaining part of your vocal cords loose, and get a constipated voice like, yo guys, my name is ADK. Yo guys, my name is ADK. Yo. And then try to sustain it and constantly build pressure over the voice like how you would do while doing the throat bass to get a growling or a crackling noise like and then slowly open your mouth along with this nasal vibration to get a loud and electronic vibration bass like And the vibration bass can be really difficult for you people if you can't sustain your throat bass or modulate the pitch of your throat bass like And a bonus tip is that pulling your tongue backward while you do the sound may help you to get deeper registers and thereby help you to get the sound. And I also found that tilting your head slightly towards the right or left may help you to find the sweet spot of your vibration bass. And after you get the sound, a pattern to practice switching between nasal vibration and vibration bass would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learn this sound or helped you to get started with the sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.